Alrighty, gang. Bruce Mobile checking in. So today, guys, we got a 2020 or either 2020 or 2021 Ford E450. I'm sorry, guys. It comes with that 7.3 liter V8 engine. This one does at least. We're gonna do a quick oil change on it. And look, already they gave us a cheat code. We got 8 quarts we got to put in this thing. So we're putting 5W30, which there it is. It tells you right here on the cap. Can't get it wrong. 5W30 goes in there. 8 quarts. This one's already hot, so we don't even have to warm it up. Just came off the road, so this oil should flow out nice and easy. Need a filter wrench and a socket. We already got our oil pan underneath. We're gonna go ahead and dive straight in. Slide up under here, y'all. We ain't even have to jack this thing up, man. We got so much room. So that's the perks of working on these big box trucks. I love it, I love it. Ooh, we got it right the first time, guys. We got a what we got here, 15mm socket. That's what we got to use to get the drain plug out. So make sure we're going left, lefty loosey. I'm gonna go ahead and crack it. Once we get it loose, finger it tight, get our drain pan ready to drain. Right up underneath there, this oil is hot, so we're gonna make sure we watch this stream. Be very careful, and it's gonna stream out of here with it being this warm. We just want to make sure we got our hands out the way so we don't get burnt, because it's already about 90 degrees out here. Ooh, my fingertips are already hot. Ooh, there we go. So we draining it, and then you're gonna get yourself a filter wrench of whatever your preference is. I really like using these, but hopefully it's not on that tight. I can just get away with using this one, but we got that one just in case we're back up. And lefty loosey, guys, counterclockwise to get this filter off. And am I going the right way? I believe we are going the wrong way, guys. Okay, so there we go. Nice and easy. While that's draining, they're right next to each other, so we can combo this thing. Let our filter down, let our filter drain while it's draining in the plug. These are nice doing oil changes, or get out the way, let it drain. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my new filter. Ready? Tell me when. All right, y'all. So we got our oil filter, new oil filter put on. We want the STP. The filter number is S2, is it? Or STP? I believe. What does it say? Yeah, S2 is the filter number. You're gonna go STP for this 7.3 Ford engine. And then we're gonna go ahead and go back in with our drain plug. It drains out nice and easy and quick when the oil is as hot as it is. Careful not to get burned. And guys, when you put your oil filter back on, go ahead and use some of the old oil and just wet your finger, or get that oil filter seal nice and lubricated before you go in, so it doesn't want to stick to the oil filter housing. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this back in, get it nice and snug. All you need is just a snug on it. You don't have to over torque this thing. Don't want to. You'll be replacing the oil pan. All right, so that's done. We're going to go back on top and dump 8 quarts of 5W30 and call this a job well done. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So 8 quarts in, and you can see we are full. You see that little dot? That's the full marker. We were just slightly over that. But once we run the engine, it should drop to right about there, exactly where we needed to be. And then this truck is kind of leaning forward, so we're not getting an exact reading, but you get the idea. It's in the vicinity of the range. So this is a job well done, y'all. All right. And also, don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you ain't already, so I can keep making videos like these and continue this Bruce Mobile movement. All right, gang.